Trump is to apologize for his latest bullish, boorish, misanthropic, and childish behavior. The childish behavior can be naive, but the behavior was bullish, boorish, and misanthropic, and so it cannot be naive or credulous. Choice A and choice E, choice A and choice C are so eliminated. Then, a person who can behave like this cannot be mentally disordered, mean by choice D and choice E. So choice D and choice E are also incorrect. Diatribe as choice B means a forceful or bitter verbal attack against someone or something through which the statement can make sense to fill the blank. So the correct answer is choice B.